Hello boys, today once again I'm here and I'm going to teach you the previous topic that I left. And in the previous topic in video you have learned about the key ideas of the constitution, in which I taught you about the social, economical and political justice. And second one, I taught you the liberty of thought and expression. Now today I am going to make you understand about the equality of status and opportunity for all. Boys, you know, our country struggled a lot at the time of the British and in the leadership of the Mahatma Gandhi. We thought that we will become a free country and we will live the standard of the life. There will be no exploitation. All will be treated equally. So Mahatma Gandhi write down in 1931 that he would work for the India in which there will be no place for the curse of the untouchability, and women would enjoy the same right as a man. No discrimination will be laid. Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar said, discrimination is merely another name of the absence of the freedom. He also said, political structure of the country rests in the social structure. So, equality is very important for the development and for the welfare of the country. Now, next topic that I am making you to understand, and that is a secular state. You know, India is a secular state, and secular state has no official religion, as you have studied in the previous chapter also, and I have given you the example related to the Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and many other countries, those who are having the official religion and they are working on the basis of their religious thought and ideas. Now, our country is a secular country. It would not allow its resource to be used or utilized for the propagation of any particular religion. This does not mean that secular state is anti-religion. In fact, it is neither religious nor irreligious nor anti-religious. Our country is running on the basis of the Sarva Dharma Sambhava, that is, equal respect for all the religion. India is a secular state which value the peace, harmony, liberty and equality. So, secular state and the diverse country is having a secular state, which is a very unique example that our country is having it, that all the people, those who are having their different religious peoples are having the right to profess their religion, and all of them will have to respect others' religion. Next, I am coming to the socialism. Boys, you know, socialism is also a very important part for the development work in India. In our country, the fair distribution of the wealth and secure and protection of the work is very important In our country, workers, children, women cannot be exploited. Equal right is being provided for all, and distribution of the wealth is equally distributed among each other. No discrimination is there. So now boys, this chapter is completed. I think that you have understood. You will like it. Thank you.